Hey guys, familiar face in a familiar space. Back on the Road Express to the airport. This time, destination Venice, and it's just me and Azelle coming for the ride. So, you know, like to like, we're gonna cheap out this whole trip, but we're gonna get a lot done. That's how we roll. Looking forward to it. Okay, vlog. So, not great news. See, the airline let this guy check in online last night, but not me. Said something about, oh, like everyone has to check in at the airport. So I go to the check-in at the airport, and yeah, tons of people in line. Get to the front of the line, and of course I was randomly selected to be the flight. Sorry, I'm not supposed to swear on my vlogs anymore. I was randomly selected to not be given a seat, so I have to sit here and wait, and hopefully someone doesn't show up for the flight, or else I am stranded in Lyon and Azelle gets to enjoy Venice all by himself. So we both had a quick prayer and hoping for the best. You guys are looking at the proud owner of seat 19A for the next hour and a half. Let's go. Azelle just stood up and said, okay, I gotta go get on the plane because there was like no one left in line. I was like, bet. Started hitting a prayer and I hear the sweet voice, oh, monsieur. And I look up and the thumb is up. Let's go. We're going to Venice. We're making it. Yes, let's go. Everything goes right in Europe. Let's go. Touchdown in Venice. I felt really bad after the last 48 hours of saying I'm going to be productive doing something and then just passing out. It was a good nap on the plane. Yes, sir.
Took a nap too?
Yeah. Okay guys, you're not getting a food review out of these bad boys, but me and Azelle cheaping out already. Supper on the first night is noodles. And apparently there's a party starting 5 minutes ago in our hostel. So as you can see, it's clearly bumping. Arsenal Real Madrid game on the TV, gotta catch up with that too. Probably gonna get an early night tonight though, because we only really got 2 full days in Venice, so you gotta start them bright and early, hit the bakeries in the morning, get our asses over there, have just fantastic days. Yeah. Yes sir, vlog, let's go. Paul said I gotta get those high energy transitions. It is 7:30 a.m. Headed to a bakery and then going to Venice. Bakery breakfast goes crazy. There you go. Okay guys, we stopped at a bakery for breakfast, of course, and I got a croissant filled with chocolate. Well, we both got the same thing, absolutely busted. Azelle spoke fluent Italian to the lady, and then I woke up and went up and absolutely embarrassed myself. But anyways, after the horrible focaccia and Annecy, we had to hit a food review on this one. That's good. It's like premium pizza bread. Lots of oil on it, nice and fatty to get me fueled up in the morning. 10 out of 10.
Alright guys, look at that.
Yes sir.
Tomatoes and olives, let's see.
Yeah, he already knows.
That's actually really good.
That hits instantly.
The oil?
Yeah.
Or I don't know if it's oil, but you know.
Yeah, whatever it's making it nice and juicy.
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. We will be back there tomorrow and probably the next day. The boys have made landfall in Venice. Bridges everywhere. And now we're just gonna start cranking the steps out and hit as many places as we can. Hopefully the rain stays away. Okay vlog, we made it to the Parrosia Santa Maria Gloriosa dei Freri. Sheesh. Totally didn't just read the sign to get the name. I've been practicing. Azelle, what do you think?
It's insane. It's really tall.
Yeah, really tall.
Beautiful.
You can't really see it from anywhere else in the city because you're just walking through small alleys, but yeah, she's beautiful. like authentically old. I don't know. It just gives like this is the type of church you go to on a Sunday, you know, not like the Sagrada Familia or anything. There's a bunch of super cool monuments all along the sides of the building. Very impressive church. Checking out all the glass stores in Venice. Trying to get myself a bull to add to my new bull collection. And, you know, get some souvenirs for you guys, of course. Okay, vlog, we made it to the bridge from Spider-Man. That has a real name. Let's see what it is. Ponte di Rialto. Ooh, and you can also see the clock tower from Spider-Man. But yeah, this is feeling a lot more like Venice than what we've been walking through all morning. Nice big fat canals with all the Italian men standing in their gondolas trying to charge you 90 euros for a ride. Hey guys, this is the top of the bridge. Got the side that no one cares about. All the tourist trap markets on the sides. And then 15 million people taking pictures over here. Beside the scam shop was trying to charge you 500% of what they charge you in the back streets. But yeah, thank you to Spider-Man for saving this beautiful bridge. Poor bro doesn't even have to paddle that much, he's just wagging it around. Okay guys, once again, Europe has failed the try not to do construction on an impressive church challenge. What was it called?
Plaza San Marco, I think.
Yeah, we are in the Plaza San Marco in Venice. Big square. You got the museum over there. All the restaurants, glass stores, and then the church. What is it?
Basilica di San Marco.
Basilica di San Marco. Look at Ezel with all the names for me. And the clock tower. Does that have a name? Let's see.
Campanile di San Marco.
Campanile di San Marco. Look at us go. Me and Ezel are gonna try and find a cheap gondola we can get on here soon. Also, if we want to visit those islands, that's like the only option we have, so maybe kill two birds with one stone there. Baguette, can of tuna, and the beautiful canals of Venice. Doesn't get much better than this. Kept walking down the water after our lunch, made it to the Napoleon Gardens in Venice, and it's just starting to rain, so we sang the Rain, Rain, Go Away, Come Again Another Day song. Better work. This guy's staring me down. We got bear turtles in this pond and the koi. And guess what? My #1 fan right here remembers the koi from the Monaco vlog. That's how you know he's a real one. Hey, yeah, those were in your other vlog, bro. Oh, that's crazy. Ezel doesn't drink coffee, so he's getting an espresso review, authentic in the back streets of Venice.
Yep. Cheers. They just drink it probably.
Oh yeah. You don't have to drink the whole thing, but...
Oh damn, yeah. That's strong.
Strong? Yeah.
I don't know if I'm a fan, but it's...
Yeah, no, I find espresso doesn't really taste good, but...
It'll give us the energy we need.
Yeah, this will fuel us the rest of the day. Okay, my turn. Cheers. Yeah, that is strong. That reminds me of the first time Oma made me coffee. Cool. I told her it tasted like black. That was my description. I don't know. That was where food review started, I guess. Grind, don't stop. Who's gonna carry the boat? Who's gonna carry the boats? Hey, but that tree is groaning.
Severe. Have mercy on the happy lovers. Happiness.
Some beautiful poetry with Azael at the public library in Venice. Absolute Rizzler. What was it the poem's called?
Poetry of humanism, vulgar.
Poetry of humanism, vulgar. The Royal Gardens in Venice. Shout out Paige. Purple and pink flowers everywhere. Okay guys, so to get the authentic Italian gelato. 1 scoop tiramisu because that's Italian. And 1 scoop panna cotta. Don't know what it is, but it's really good. I think this is even better than the stuff I had at Amarino. We're trying to make it to that church. We're about halfway there. Up on this cool bridge that's full of people. Lots of walking today. Already at like 23k steps or something. Okay guys, I'm gonna nail this one. We're at the Basilica Santa Maria della Salute. Yeah, got that right. Had to put the glasses back on. It's a pretty big deal here, I guess. On one of the mystery souvenirs that I bought for one of you guys. Ooh. Oh Jesus, seagulls are out to play today. Anyways, the sun went away a bit, but it's still a beautiful day. I keep forcing Azal to stop at souvenir shops, but he bought something last time, so it's fine. But no, this building's beautiful. Very grand. A lot of the buildings in Venice are like this, with the white statues out front. So are all the murals on the wall, but they're doing constructions and that kind of stuff. Ooh, are we gonna get splashed by the wave? Ooh. The waves have been flying over the edges. I was scared looking at them walking over there, but I live on the edge, eh? We're just lucky it isn't all flooded today with all the rain. Apparently it's been raining here for like a week. And just like that, au revoir Venice for the day. Back to Mestre. Gonna get some rest into us and then some nice fire Chinese food is the plan. Let's go food review.
Okay, food. I got the udon with seafood, so it's got shrimp, I think mussel. So let's see. Get a bite of both. Hold on, it's hot.
Oh, it's definitely hot, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, mussel and shrimp?
Yeah.
First time trying mussel or what?
I think so, yeah. First time trying mussel too.
Ooh.
Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Oh my god.
It's gas.
I'm gonna look forward to stealing a bite of that. Anyways,
Yeah.
I got the bean sprouts with veggies. So let's try with some whatever that jello looking stuff is. I mean, I wouldn't call it 10 out of 10 or anything, but that's some solid Chinese food. Lots of food here too. Great price. Okay guys, this is duck with mushrooms and bamboo. Grazie. So I'm gonna have some bamboo right now. I'd assume that's what this is, because the other thing looked like mushrooms. Bamboo is gas. How's your how's your duck?
Spicy duck, I mean, let me try it. Hold on. It tastes like maybe like chicken, but it's good. It's good. The flavor is good in this. It's spicy. So it's not spicy.
Guys, absolute shocker. Duck tastes like chicken. Who would have thought? Okay, let me try my not spicy duck.
It's good though.
Oh yeah, I know what you're saying. The texture is just like chicken.
Yeah.
Okay guys, day 2 in Venice. Well, I guess technically day 3 in Venice. And we got canolos at the bakery this morning. Absolutely fantastic. It's like a pastry, but it's got like the crunchiness of a cookie almost, and the cream inside. It's like Kinder Bueno cream. Like, this is high level stuff in Italy, hard to beat. Shout out Irving Oil, the goats. We got the garbage pickup boat in Italy. No vehicles other than boats here, so like we saw a fruit stand on a boat yesterday, garbage on a boat, and then they just get the dudes to drag the carts through the streets yelling "Attenzione, attenzione," so they don't run over us tourists. Stop by this lemon store for the free lemon alcohol tasting. Or sorry, not alcohol. No, I would never drink alcohol. No. Okay. Anyways, as Azelle said, it tastes like lemon sour candy, and all the alcohol is made from lemons. So yeah. Oh, that's where we're at. Grocery store, baguette time. Okay, vlog. We came back to see the Spider-Man bridge in the sun. It's beautiful in Venice. And we also didn't have a choice because there's only 2 bridges to get across the main canal here, so we had to take a big detour either way. Yesterday I accidentally crossed the bridge and we had to backtrack, so at least Azelle had the foresight to not do that today.